The market is responding crazy today, and a stock I haven't talked about in over a year probably is Xpeng. Xpeng is the highest. It is up over 40%. Is wild. That's what we're going to talk about. Why is it actually rising like that? What's pop? Make sure you guys hit that good old subscribe button, like button, and we're going to look at it on Moomoo. Shout out to them. So Xpeng right now is up 43% in the last day. Think of that. Jesus, that's crazy. So they're at $10 a share. And this is important to look at. Their 52-week high is $51. Their historic high is $74. Their 52-week low is $6.18. Historic low, $16.18. How recent was that? When we just seen a historic low with Xpeng. We're just gonna say November 1st. That's just what we're gonna say. You ain't seen it like that in history. So that means this is opportunity. Yes, this is still a good chance and good opportunity to buy because it's only at $10. It's $4 away from its 52-week low. Man, now the main thing you really need to know is why the hell is this rising even though they kind of missed on their expectations? This article said Xpeng missed Q3 estimates, stock rises despite lower EV delivery outlook. Times have changed with the EV market. Times changed a little bit where now it's like, yo, we actually care about, can you get the job done? Can you keep a company running long term? The deliveries, that's going to drop down. You can blame China. You can blame different locations. That's okay. They like, look, can you still get the job done and get these cars being sold? So it's Xpeng, a leading Chinese smart EV manufacturer, released its Q3 earnings Wednesday, missing top and bottom line estimates while offering a less than ideal delivery outlook. So like, all right, we did a less than delivery outlook. If you're not hip to Xpeng, go ahead and do some information about it. In the second quarter, Xpeng loss widened to $403 million as EV deliveries failed and higher material costs went up. Margin slips to 10%. And look, they warned everybody. They let everybody know, like, look, our sales, our deliveries is going to change. It's going to be between 29,000 and 30,000. So they already let their investors let everybody know. And look exactly what it was at. So that's great because they hit what they told us. If it went under, I think that wouldn't have been a good thing. So the total deliveries for the third quarter hit that up 15% from Q3 in 2021. So that's one positive thing. It is up a year later, such as you get more deliveries. So that's good. You see more adoption is completely going. Yeah, Xpeng EV sales has continued trending lower since hitting its peak the fourth quarter of 2021. So you see the peak basically changed a little bit. Revenue from sales reached $880 million, up from 14% from Q3 2021, but decreased 10% from the second quarter. Despite this, the cost of sale increased 20% from last year as material price continued cutting into the margins. So this is what the CEO actually said about everything. We will implement prudent cost control initiatives and improve operational efficiency. As we plan a number of upcoming products and technology rollouts, we are confident that we can achieve significant improvement in both sales and volume and average selling price. Right here it say, why is Xpeng stock trending? Even with cautious guidance, Xpeng stock is up 40% today. For one thing, Xpeng cost-cutting measures are good news. Maintaining efficiency through the production ramp will be critical to the company's success. Gu says the effects of Xpeng internal restructuring will likely become visible in the second half of 2023, when he also expects the EV market to accelerate further. So, long story short, they didn't do that bad. They told us what was going to happen. Sales, numbers are basically up. Sales are a little bit down, but people are bullish because they like, look, 2023, the second quarter, he telling us again when shit is going to get real and we're going to actually have some positive outlooks of it. I think everything is going to be good. So it's a great time, in my opinion, to actually buy in. Still, after all of this crazy growth, you can try to probably wait for a drop, but still getting $4 away from its all-time low, and we can 5x our money at this point in long term. So this will be a slow in. Just buy one share here, buy another share here, start back building a strong position, and you can hold in the next 2 or 3 years. I believe it'll be worth it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. If you guys want some free stocks, check out the links in the bio or pinned to the top of the comments with Moomoo. Lando says, I'm out.